Go to an adjustment layer. Choose curves. RGB, control the brightness. Now we are going to adjust it. Now select the red and adjust it. Now change it into green and adjust the green part. Select blue and adjust it. Hold the Alt key and create new layer. Change the mode it into linear dodge. Make sure this box is checked. Press Ctrl J, then take duplicate of the layer. Select the brush tool and choose soft round brush, and adjust the size of the brush. Change flow 15% and opacity 50%. Make sure foreground color is white. Tap on the object and change the opacity 50%. Select the next layer. Double tap on the face. Go to FX, choose blending options. Drag the handle and hold Alt key to drag it. Adjust the slider according to the light you want. Go to adjustment layer. Choose solid color. I am going to choose blue color and hit OK. Change the blend mode to overlay. Change the fill color to 60%. Here is the result. Hope you like it.